Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Troubleshooting Guide, Anaconda Python Not Opening. Introduction. Anaconda is a popular distribution of Python that comes bundled with various data science and machine learning packages, making it a preferred choice for many developers. However, sometimes users may encounter issues where Anaconda fails to open. This tutorial aims to guide you through the troubleshooting process and provide solutions to common problems. Before diving into troubleshooting, ensure that your system meets the minimum requirements for Anaconda. Visit the official Anaconda documentation to verify compatibility with your operating system. Outdated installations may cause compatibility issues. Update Anaconda using the following commands. Ensure that Anaconda's paths are correctly set in the system environment variables. On Windows, check the path variable for the Anaconda installation directory. On Unix-based systems, look for the path variable in your shell profile, example.bashrc.zshrc. Sometimes, security software may block Anaconda from running. Temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall and try opening Anaconda again. If successful, add Anaconda to the exclusion list of your security software. Navigate to the Anaconda Navigator cache directory and delete its contents. Anaconda Navigator and other Anaconda components generate log files. Check for error messages in the log files to identify the issue. Log files are typically located in the logs folder within your Anaconda installation directory. If the issue persists, consider reinstalling Anaconda Navigator. Try opening Anaconda Navigator from the command line to see if there are any error messages. By following these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to identify and resolve the issue preventing Anaconda from opening. If the problem persists, consider seeking help on online forums or consulting Anaconda's official support channels. ChatGPT.